Hi, my name is Landon, and this is how my life as a student goes on every day.
Di makapaniwala, parang mahiwagang nadama nung tumama sa'yo ang aking mga mata. At nagsiksikan na dahil tumigil ang jeepney sa tapat ng eskwela.
Mr. Civilian? Mr. Civilian!
Ma'am, derivatives po.
Pwede, attendance pa lang.
Ay, attendance pala ba? Present po pala.
You seem so excited for the lesson for today. Dahil dyan, I'll have you answer an example later.
Wala, yung kasi topic ng competition nila crush mamaya eh. So smart talaga ng baby ko.
I said solve these 3 examples of a derivative of a constant. Simple lang yan.
Ma'am, hindi ko po alam.
Theorem 1. The easiest theorem. The derivative of a constant. The steps in solving this is pretty simple. Basically, every given where it is asked to get a derivative of a constant, the answer would be automatically 0. No matter how large the number is, as long as it's constant, its derivative would be 0.
Ay, nakakaputok na ugat sa ulo, Diyos ko.
Ito nga si Lyndon, kanina pa nakatulala eh.
Oo nga, anyari ba sa'yo? Naisip mo na naman siguro yung crush mong math genius.
Uy, hindi kaya. I slept late night kasi. Kaya nagkakaginto ako.
Speaking of math genius, now do you have a competition right now?
Ay, oo nga. Sa court. Ano, nag tayo?
Ayun.
Para naman ma-refresh tong friendly natin.
Tara.
OMG! Question number 2. Solve these 3 examples of a derivative of a power.
For the second theorem, we have the derivative of a power. Here, you will multiply the exponent to the base, which is x. Note that you need to consider the sign, whether it is negative, positive, or a fraction. Lastly, you need to subtract 1 from the exponent, then you will get your final answer.
And it's a tie! Talaga lumalaban ng mga participants natin. Next, solve these following problems.
The third theorem is almost the same as the second theorem, but the difference is that there is a constant beside the base. The first step is you need to multiply the exponent to the constant beside the base. After multiplying, you need to subtract the 1 from the exponent.
And our final winner is Mr. Havaliano.
Sorry, pre. Yan. Kailangan mo get, babaktas ko. You need some help? Oo, pre. Sige, review na rin para sa akin. Okay lang ba? Okay lang. Pwede mong paturo sa akin. Sige, tara.
Nakakabigla, para bang sinadya at tinaktan.
So, saan dito hindi mo naiintindihan, pre? Ito kasi, pre, yung derivative of the sum. Pwede mo akong turuan yan? Ganito lang.
Fourth theorem. The derivative of a sum. This is basically the application of the first 3 theorems. When you have a given, all you need to do is get the derivative of each term and then solve. There you will get the final answer.
The derivative of a product. Here, you just need to follow a specific way of solving, which is f of x times the derivative of g of x plus g of x times the derivative of f of x.
Sheesh, naka 101 ko ang sugar crush Crushy cakes ko, sugar plum plum dumpkin ko.
Thank you talaga pre ah. Sa susunod, delivery of the product and content na magturo mo sa akin ah. No problem. Chat me na lang.
Good morning, class. Hindi muna ako mag-a-attendance ngayon as we need the full time for our discussion today. Our topic is all about derivatives of a quotient. Now, let us have the examples. There are a few steps into deriving a quotient function. First step is to identify the values of f of x and g of x. After identifying, get its both of their derivatives. As we have all the factors that we need, the next step is to substitute all the terms. Let's then solve for the numerator. Multiply g of x to the derivative of f of x. Do the same on the other side of the sign. Multiply f of x to the derivative of g of x. Next step is subtract the products. After the numerator, let us square the g of x in the denominator. The last step is to divide the difference of the numerator to the denominator. And there you have it. And that's a wrap. That is all the lesson we have for today. Class dismissed.
If really, speaking of kung ako news organs, may pinakatingin sa'yo.
Ay, wala. Yung napadaan lang ako.
Dito pala si Mr. Monty. Pero hindi ha.
Uy, hello. Huwag mo napansinin yan. Wala ka na ako. Sir, man.
Ayoko nang pumara kahit saan mapunta. Ayoko nang pumara kung ikaw ang kasama. Ayoko nang pumara, ayoko nang pumara. Ayoko na, ayoko nang pumara kahit saan pa lumiko. Ayoko nang pumara, sana di na huminto. Ayoko nang pumara, ayoko nang pumara. Ayoko na kung ikaw ang kasama. At may biglang sumingit na tiyempo pa sa ating gitna. Sumingit